Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Let's Learn and Grow. This is my first video on SolidWorks software. Basically, SolidWorks software is a designing software which is used to create 2D model, 3D model, machine parts and simulation, assembling and also using motion analyze. So let's continue the slides. Introduction of SolidWorks. In this video, we will see SolidWorks, what SolidWorks can do, features, sketching tool, editing tool, 3D features, commands, assembling, motion analyze, and conclusion. Okay, so SolidWorks. SolidWorks is a solid modeling, computer aided design, and computer aided engineering. CAD basically CAD means it is the use of computer to help in creation, modification, or optimization of a design. And SolidWorks is one of the best 3D modeling software which helps to design new products and improve productivity as compared to other CAD software. And it is easily used software as compared to other softwares. Now, what SolidWorks can do? So, SolidWorks provide a full range of integrated modeling, simulation, visualization, communication, and validation tools that product designers need to develop better products faster and at lower cost, and precisely turn creative concept into 3D parts. It converts 2D part to 3D parts very easily and smoothly and produce design in less time. These are the advantages of the SolidWorks. So next, features. In features, part modeling, assembling, simulation, motion analysis, drawing and drafting. In part modeling, we design a simple part or 2D part, and in assembling, we assemble the part that we have designed in part section. And in drawing, we can see each and every information of the part or of our drawing, like its isometric view, side view, top view. We can easily see its all the view in drafting or drawing. And in simulation, we can simulate the parts. In motion analysis, we can analyze the motions. And sketching tool. Basically, this is the interface of SolidWorks software that I am using. I am using SolidWorks 2K23. So these are the sketching tool. Sketching tool includes line, polyline, rectangle, elliptical arc, circle, etc. These are known as sketching tool. This section, as you can see in the SolidWorks interface. Next, now editing tools. Editing tools are such as moving sketch, copying sketch, rotating sketch, scaling sketch, modifying sketch, scratching sketch, 3D sketching, and dimensioning. Now in features. In features includes in SolidWorks extrude boss, extrude cut, revolving, sweep boss, sweep cut, and lofted boss. So this is a basic design that I have created with the help of these all features: extrude boss, extrude cut, revolving, sweep boss, sweep cut, and lofted boss. In coming videos, we will discuss all about these features. Okay. Now, this is the basic introduction of revolving command. Like we create a simple 2D drawing. This is the 2D drawing, and we revolve it accordingly angle. Like this is revolve with 360-degree angle. We can revolve it accordingly, angle like 180, 90. In sweep boss command, first we choose the path and secondary we choose the object. So this is our path and this circle is object. When we select the path and object, like you can see in this image, the red color show path and the yellow color is showing the object. So it is easy to draw. In coming videos we will discuss about these commands. Now sweep cut. Sweep cut is similar to sweep boss. In coming videos we will discuss about this also. Now lofted boss. Lofted boss command is used to create 3D parts like these type of parts. Suppose this is the cross section area which is more than this cross section area. So to draw these type of drawing we use lofted boss command. Clear? Okay, some commands in SolidWorks. In SolidWorks we can see the commands in next video. So assembly is a basic introduction. We will get SolidWorks assembly user interface where we can assemble various parts created from part files, or we directly edit parts created in assembly interface. As I have discussed already that in assembling we assemble the different parts that we have created in part section. So we assemble them in assembly section. Okay, and now weights. Weights is the important part of assembly section or assembly interface. Weight is used to join the parts like accordingly coincident, parallel, perpendicular, or tangent, concentric, etc. So there are three weights in SolidWorks that we use. First is standard weight and advanced weight and mechanical weights. So you can see in this interface that advanced and standard and mechanical. And in allies we give the weights like gear and pinion. I am not so there. So we will discuss in coming videos. Now the motion analysis. In motion analysis, is the highest level of SolidWorks motion studies. Motion simulation provides complete quantitative information about the kinematic including position, velocity and acceleration, and the dynamics including joint reaction, inertial force and power requirement of all components of a moving mechanism. And also we can analyze of force and spring friction in the motion analysis. So this is a basic model of cylinder engine, two cylinder, two stroke engine, and this is a steam engine. So I have done the motion study of this engine. You can see the video of this engine in the coming slide. This is the motion. This is the interface of motion analysis or motion study. Then now this is a video. You can see we can analyze the motion of any engine or any machine in this software easily, like this. In coming videos we will discuss about this engine also, how to assemble or how to make the parts. In this video we can see easily the parts of steam engine, two cylinder steam engine, how they are connected to each other. And Okay. Next, these are the parts of a EDM machine. EDM, you all know, electric discharge machine. So these are the parts, and I have assembled these all parts in assembly section. In part section, I have created all the parts according requirement dimension, and this is the assembled machine all total. So we can see the machine easily and the working. So this is the working video of electric discharge machine. We can see easily working of EDM in this video. We can analyze the working of any machine by designing it in SolidWorks, like it is movement in X direction. We are positioning the workpiece, and this is the workpiece section where workpiece is attached or hold, and this is the tool that moves in Z direction, and this is setting in X direction. This is setting in Y direction, and the tool comes toward the workpiece. So this is a basic working of EDM, or you can see our EDM video on YouTube. So conclusion, SolidWorks provide a full range of integrated modeling, simulation, visualization, communication and validation tool that product designers need to develop better product faster and low cost. So thank you. Thanks for watching the video, and please like, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.